Today I am with Amazfit PowerBuds and I'm going to show you how you can charge this device. So as you can see, here I am in the application, and there we got the battery level of left or right earbud and also of the charging case. So to charge earbuds you have to put them right here on the case. Of course you have to remove this foil from this magnetic parts and put them like that. Once you make it, this indicator starts blinking for a few times, and the next we have to close them, rotate like that to find this this USB-C input USB-C cable, and the second end of the cable we have to basically put to the charging brick and then plug it to the electricity. And when you make it, this indicator on the front will be highlighted on the red, just like that. And that's how you can charge these earbuds. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.